Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to get a colorful bash terminal in Ubuntu. If your terminal looks plain black and white and you want it to highlight commands, folders, and the prompts in colors, in this video I will show you how to do this. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So by default, Ubuntu usually comes with a colored output, but sometimes it's disabled or too dull. So first, let's make sure your terminal shows color for command lines. So open your terminal and paste a simple command that you can find in the description box below. Now, after pasting the command, if you see colorful file names and folders, that's good, but we want it to stay like that every time. So we will add this setting permanently. So first, open your bash configuration file by using the command right over here. In this section, look for force color prompt, and once you find it, which you can see right over here, what you'll do is remove the symbol hash, which should be right in front of it, as you can see right over here. Just remove the hash. Once you've done that, it should look something like this. Next, save it by pressing Ctrl+O on your keyboard, then hit Enter. To exit, press Ctrl+X. Now let's apply the changes by reloading the files. Just type a simple command like this and then hit Enter. After that, your terminal prompt should now show in color. You will also notice commands like ls, grep, and others showing in colorful output. So that's it. Now you know how to make your bash terminal colorful in Ubuntu. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.